To change the pitch of an audio file in Audacity, first make sure your audio file is in the timeline. Go to the top menu bar, click on Select, and then choose All. This will select your entire audio clip. Now, to apply the pitch effect, go to the top menu bar, click on Effect, then select Pitch and Tempo, and finally click on Change Pitch. A small window will open where you can adjust the pitch settings. Use the slider to change the pitch. Moving it to the right will increase the pitch, making the sound more high-pitched and sharp. Click on Apply and play the audio to hear the effect.
This is an audio sample to make my voice higher and lower pitch.
If you want to lower the pitch, go back to the pitch settings, move the slider to the left, and click Apply. Playing the audio now will give you a deeper, lower-pitched sound.
This is an audio sample to make my voice higher and lower pitch.
That is how you change the pitch in Audacity. Thanks for watching.